up, Matson Outdoor viewers?
You sounding manatee.
I got Catch 'em All Minnow here with me, and we are at Turkey Creek, and just going right along right here are actually a mom and her calf.
Hi.
Just cruising along here. As you can see, poor mama there has some ouchies that are healing, some wounds, most likely from a boat. But look at them. It's a beautiful morning here today, and this is definitely a pleasant sight. We're gonna go off the dirt path over here, and we're gonna follow along and see if we can keep in contact with mama and baby. Good evening, viewers of the Matsons.Outdoors YouTube channel. Me and Fisher are on our little hike. I know I just did a little clip of mama and baby, but there is another manatee that is coming by, and we're going to try to see if we can get it before we head off to the dirt path.
It's over there.
I do see it. It looks like another young one. So we're going to hang out here for a little bit and see if it comes over this way, which I'm assuming it's going to. Which would be cool if we could all meet them over at the dock. So the first mom and her calf are right here. They're just cruising along. There's another mom with two calves that are that way that are coming this exact same way.
I see it.
Uh-huh.
You too. Oh, I can see it right here too. Mom, it's so close. Yeah, I can pet it like that.
You can almost pet it. Maybe if you went swimming. Look, there's our little baby. It's not a little baby, that's a big baby. Probably about a year-old baby.
Mom, there's another one.
There's another manatee? So we're on the dirt path right now.
One right there.
Oh, they all are heading this way, guys. Look at this.
Oh my gosh. That one's huge. That one's huge.
What a score for today's adventure with Catch 'em All Minnow here. Definitely looking forward to getting over down there by the dock. And Fisher took off.
That's so weird.
Hey guys, we have an alligator swimming across the water right here. He's probably going to go down because there are some kayakers coming. Probably about a 5-footer, I would say, not too big. Here he comes. You see him?
Ooh, alligator.
Really, really cool today. Hey viewers, give this video a thumbs up if you like all the action that is going on.
This way.
Yeah, here it comes. Here it comes this way. Here it comes this way, guys. Here comes the alligator. Oh my gosh, it's swimming right up to us. Wait. No. Look, guys, the alligator is like right here in front of us. This alligator is probably about like 12 feet away.
Oh,
Here it comes. Oh my gosh.
It has like a boo on it.
Got a little boo-boo on its head? No, it's a leaf.
Oh.
That's really cool. Ooh, it's raising its back. Yeah, it's definitely a little guy. Little 4 or 5-footer. It's coming. It's swimming this way. Fisher keeps throwing grass in the water. Here it comes. Hey viewers, so Fisher's still on the run. Hey, give this video some likes. Give this video those thumbs up. Hit that notification bell to tune into more adventures like this with us. Let us know if you guys like seeing videos like this, like us going on these random day adventures. We're seeing tons of stuff, and it's absolutely amazing. Weather's perfect. It's a beautiful morning. Definitely. Did you find a raccoon?
Yeah, I feel like
I'll say that. If you guys watch the previous videos, you'll see that the one time when me and Fish were here at Turkey Creek, we actually got chased by a raccoon. That was pretty exciting.
No, actually scary.
But we're almost to the dock, and we're going to wait and see what is at the dock. I'll have the camera rolling so we'll be able to see what is just over the edge. Viewers, the manatees are still going strong over here this way. They're heading straight for the dock, so we're going to see if we can meet them over there. Okay, viewers, we are at the dock. I can definitely hear that they got the dam open. That would definitely explain the fast current waters over here. I'm going to go down this really so it's pretty slick. But yeah, we have had quite a bit of rain lately, so I can see why they got it open. It's made the water a little bit murky over this way since we're really close to the dam. But we should definitely still be able to see Mama and her baby. And whatever else might be over here. Do you see anything, Fish?
No, but it's nice and minnow.
Oh, it is pretty, it is kind of murky over here. It's clear here, it's not too bad. But out a little this way is quite a bit murky. So we're just going to sit on the dock here and we're going to wait and see if the manatees come this way. This is pretty cool. You having fun today, Fisher?
Yeah.
Definitely exciting stuff that we're finding, huh?
I don't know over there.
Oh, did you make sure there's no alligator into here?
Nothing.
Nope, no alligator. We can hang our feet over the edge. For now. You're just gonna keep an eye out, okay?
No, I'm not doing it.
I knew you a chicken. Now you got me wanting a chicken. I'll cross my legs for right now. Oh, you're gonna go over there that side?
Yeah, you want to?
No, yeah, you can sit up there. Yeah, you can definitely sit up there and hang your legs. I don't think a gator's gonna get you from up there. Ooh, I heard a big old splash.
Bye, I'm gonna go over there.
Viewers, so we're at the dock and Fisher found a fiddler
Right now,
crab.
don't get it. We can cook it up.
You're not gonna get nothing out of that. We're waiting for the manatees over here at the dock. Look, you can see him eating with his little hand.
Can you just get it?
I'll try to see if I can catch it and show you guys. But yeah, just a little fiddler crab. Hey viewers, so the manatees did go by, but they were on the far other end of the side. They didn't come near the dock like I thought they would. But me and Fisher had asked some kayakers who went up to the dam. Sorry, couldn't think. Went up to the dam and they said that they didn't see anything over there. So we are gonna head back this way. Fisher found a ladybug. But we're gonna head back this way to see if we see anything else before we get heading home. Well, before we go home, we're gonna go get some lunch. We are hungry.
Hey, Mom. Baby daisy bug.
So remember guys, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more adventures. Hit that thumbs up. Hit that notification bell to tune into our weekly updates. If we come across anything else, guys, I'll definitely be taking a video and adding to it. But until then, guys, bye.